I thought I'd tell you a little bit about a concrete mixer. This is an older Mack truck. It's smaller than your regular concrete mixers, which capacities of about 10 meters, 10 yards. You got your mixer, of course, your barrel, and here's your water storage. You always have a big barrel of water, and it's just usually it's an old diesel tank that they convert for water storage. It's operated under pressure, same air pressure as what supplies your primary and secondary brake tanks. It's pressurized right now. Here's how you turn it off. Here's how you keep it pressurized. Here's the blow off. And of course, here's the line that goes to the back. Open now, close. We don't need it right now. And when you go to the back here, what you have is your regular hose for wash up, and of course the larger one here, which goes up the side and goes into the barrel for adjusting your slump, which is the thickness of the concrete, whatever it is that's desired by the customer at that time. And right now, what we'll do is we'll go up the top and I'll show you the inside of the barrel. And the slump at the present time is probably around 4.5, 5. We got about an hour wait for this customer. And we got it on a little bit on the wet side. Oh no, we're getting up to about a 4.5. And now you see the inside of the barrel. You see the chines, the way it works. And what you do is you reverse the rotation of the barrel for it to have the concrete come out and shoot back here. That's about it. It's a different task from your regular driving jobs up and down the road. You have to learn a few more things. Concrete slump, how to maintain your truck. This one here is rather on the ratty side. And of course it's a smaller, older truck. That's about it. Gotta get back at her. We gotta go 4 up the hill. Bye-bye.